Nature Break, a waddle of penguins. Hi, boys and girls. I like penguins. Do you? Penguins are very expressive in their behavior, and I love the way they vocalize. Listen carefully. This penguin appears to be letting us know it's time for a nature break.
Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, and of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature.
Today, I went to the Georgia Aquarium. I went to see the African penguins from the Galapagos Islands. There are many different species of penguins, but their signature color is black and white. Penguins have hundreds of short, stiff feathers. Still, they cannot fly. They look a little awkward walking on land. But they are aquatic birds, so when they get in the water, they're quite graceful. Penguins love to swim and play in the water. Do you like to play in the water too? Did you know that penguins don't have teeth, but they use their beak to grab food, and there are spikes on their tongue and rows of their mouth to help them eat their food? There is one thing I really loved about the penguins' behavior. It was their strong bond that they have with each other. Penguins huddle together for warmth and protection. Being social and friendly, they can be seen rubbing their faces together, grooming and keeping each other's plumage healthy, and even giving each other gifts like a small stone or pebble. They are so nice to each other. Let's wave goodbye to the penguins to visit very friendly children that I had an opportunity to meet at their school. As Jesus was our example of being kind to each other, I love to see the children's Christ-like character as they shared books and said thank you, and how they helped the teacher clean up the room, and how they followed instructions and obeyed. Luke 6:31 says, "Do to others as you would have them do to you." Jesus taught us that in the Bible, that kindness is the golden rule. That's the end of Nature Break. See you next time. Blessings.